Hey dolls, it's your girl Crystal Chanel. Welcome back and happy new year. Y'all, I am super excited to share this video. It's all about my contacts. Yes, I said contacts. Your girl is a millennial, so yeah, I still wear color contacts. And if you guys want to know about the comfort of them, the cost of them, where I get them from, and of course a coupon code, you know what to do. Stay tuned. For those who are new here, by the way, my name is Crystal Chanel, also known as Chrissy the Doll, and I talk about all things fashion. Curvy, plus size fashion. I'm always trying to find a discount and a deal for y'all. I love beauty, hair, all that good stuff. So if that's something you're into, subscribe to this channel. It's free. Like, and of course, stick around. Become a part of the Diva Doll crew. But as y'all saw already, this video is all about my contacts. This is not a sponsored video. However, Pinky Paradise did send me this PR box, so we're gonna get into it. Like I mentioned, I'm a millennial, and your girl loves her colored contacts. I do wear prescription glasses, and I just feel like glasses, period, or contacts, period, they add another element to your outfits. So yes, girl, I be rocking my contacts, and this is one of my favorite places to get contacts from. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, they do provide for each pair of your contacts lenses, they give you these cute little holders. I'm gonna open the purple one because if you can't already tell, purple is my favorite color. Drop some purple hearts if that's your favorite color. Can y'all see how cute they are? Drop in a comment your favorite color. I wanna get to know y'all too. But do you see? They are so cute. So I love the fact that they do send these with each order. They have an R on the inside to let you know which is your right lens, which is your left side. They also sent this. I don't know, whenever I get these boxes from Pinky Paradise, like even in a typical order, not like as an influencer, they always do provide some kind of free gift. This is a cute little carrying case. It has a mirror, it has a bottle to put some contact solution in, it has another contact lens holder, and it has one of these things, which is helpful when you're trying to pick up your contacts. And they have one of these things, which is helpful to suction it off of your eye. They come so cute. Like, that's literally the main reason. I am a lot about the aesthetics, and I appreciate good packaging. You guys will hear me say that time and time again. So yeah, girl, they got me with this. And don't worry, y'all, I'm going to leave the details for the company down below, as well as any coupon codes, because you know I gotta hook my girls up. Today we have 5 colors. Let's get into it. All right, so the first we're gonna deal with is gray. This is how they come packaged, and I do wear contacts, again, that are prescription, and there are different prescriptions at that, so you have to be careful if that's like you, to make sure that you have them separated so you know which goes to which eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these. These are kind of hard to open, so I'm gonna show you guys. There is an arrow. Can you see it? There is an arrow on these where that's where you want to apply the pressure with your finger. I'm going to use my thumb, and this metal can be really sharp, so please be careful when you're opening this. But I'm going to push, and I actually think I opened it. I don't know if I opened it right, but I pushed up where the arrow was, and now I'm going to try to peel this all the way down. So let's see how it goes. That's what we got. You see? And this is sharp. This is sharp like a can of tuna. So you have to be careful. There we have it. That is how you open it without hurting yourself, without needing scissors or any other sharp object. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in. I really can't see, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring this mirror a little closer. And there we have it. So can we see how subtle the difference is, but how beautiful? Every time I blink, is kind of moving. So that tells me a couple of things. It could be that this doesn't fit my eye correctly, but I normally don't have an issue with this contact, so I believe that I may have it inside out. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and take it out, and we're gonna see if it's inside out. Also, if you experience irritation when you put it in, that's another hint that it may be inside out. I put it inside out, and now it actually looks like it's supposed to be a cup, and it's given like a saucer. Get into the color difference. Do you see the color difference? I think this gray is really pretty. Okay, what do we think about the gray ones? Got them both in. I can see clearly. I don't see any colors when I'm looking around, so I wear these all day. They are comfortable. You should not sleep in them because they're not designed for sleeping, okay? I don't believe you should just sleep in contacts, even though sometimes I do, but wow, these are super opaque, and they're given like, what's her name from X-Men? They're given Storm. So these will be perfect for Halloween. Again, I wanted to show you guys their range of options. This one is very much given superhero, very much given, you know, ice goddess. It's very much serving, what's my show called? What's my show called? House of Dragons with, you know, Game of Thrones. There we go. Like, girl, get into the Ice Queen. Like, get into this look. They're comfortable for the first thing. Secondly, they cover my entire brown eye. They are prescription, and I can see, but no, you're not gonna see me walking around with eyes like this. This is literally just for purposes of showing you guys what's available, but I don't know, I'm kind of feeling it. You can see I have in one eye, and I'm about to put in the other. Greenish, light green color. These are pretty, I like these. These are very comfortable too. I can barely feel them, like that's pretty nice. So I love these, they're really comfortable. How do you feel about the color? I really like how these hug around my brown. Yeah, these are good. These are really pretty, and I love them. And we have 2 more to go. Ooh, these are a pretty honey brown. These ones are pretty. They got a lot going on with them. Oh, pretty. Do you see the colors that they have? These are my favorites. If I'm wearing contacts, sometimes I want them to be conspicuous, but I also want the person to think like, ooh, can those be her eyes? I know about 2 to 3 people who have eyes like this, and yeah, girl, you can't tell me these ain't my eyes. These so far are probably my favorite ones out of all of them. I don't even want to take them off, y'all. Like, I am loving these contacts. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, it looks so natural. Look, they have that brown circle on the inside, and then they go to like a faded green. It's not like a harsh transition, right? It kind of blends, and then on the very, very outside, it's actually brown, which naturally goes with my eyes. Am I tripping? Can y'all tell me down below, do you like these? Girl, if you're gonna wear contacts, go ahead and grab these. Last but certainly not least, we have these brown ones. So they're kind of given honey brown a little bit, but I'm an advocate of doing the most. But yeah, girl, this is a really pretty natural brown. Wonderful. These also feel good. These are gonna be my second favorite. Tell me, how does this look? What you guys think these are my natural eyes? Which ones look the prettiest? I'm loving this. Hey dolls, I hope you love this video. That is all. I will put all the names and the coupon codes, anything I can find, down below in the info box. Be sure to comment your favorite pair down below and let me know if you've ever tried this brand before. I always love making these videos for y'all. You can find some behind the scenes on my TikTok at Chrissy the Doll. And of course, you can find me slay in outfits with these contacts and all of that on my Instagram at Chrissy the Doll _official. Again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's free, and that's really it. I want to thank you dolls as always for all of your love and support, and stay fabulous and stay fierce.